Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up exposure manually in photo mode on Android 16. Okay, so we need to launch our camera app. Once we are here, select the photo mode, and now to manually change the exposure level, click that icon and we can see that bar in the middle. Now we need to simply slide right to increase the exposure, or left to decrease it. Simply left or right. When you slide to the left side, it gets darker. You slide to the right side, the exposure gets bigger and simply increased. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.